The marginal average cost of producing X digital sports watches is given by the function C bar prime of X, where C bar of X is the average cost in dollars. So C bar prime of X equals negative 1100 over X squared. So that's the derivative of the average cost function. And then they're giving us an initial condition. The average cost per watch when we're making 100 watches is $26 per watch. It says find the average cost function and the cost function. What are the fixed costs? So before we start attacking this problem, let's review a cost function. So a linear cost function will look like this. C of X equals, say, 22x plus 3,000. Variable cost, fixed cost. And if I want to get the average cost function, C bar of X, that's going to be C of X divided by the number of units I'm producing. So 22x plus 3,000, all divided by X. Well, these will cancel out. So what I'll get is 3,000 over X plus 22. And if I want to go back to C of X, the opposite of division is multiplication. So C of X equals X times C bar of X, which would be X times 3,000 over X plus 22, which will give me 22x plus 3,000. So that's a little bit of a reminder of cost functions and average cost functions. So now we're going to start doing the actual problem here. So I'm going to rewrite this as dC bar dx equals negative 1100 over x squared. I'm going to multiply both sides by dx, then we'll antiderive both sides. So C bar of x equals the integral, and I'm going to change this to negative 1100 times x to the negative 2, move this across the fraction bar, change the sign on the exponent. Now I can use the power rule, antiderivative rule. So I get negative 1100 times, add 1 to this exponent, get x to the negative 1, divide by the new exponent, then plus c. So negative and negative, or negative divided by negative is positive. So I'm getting 1100. Then I'm going to move this across the fraction bar over x plus the constant. And I do have an initial condition for C bar of x. So C bar at 100 is 1100. Replace the x with this 100 plus c, and that has to equal 26. So 11 plus c equals 26. So C equals 15. So we'll just replace that, and that's our C bar of x, which is the first thing they're asking for. So that is 1100 divided by x plus 15. Check answer. Well done. And then to get back to C of x, it's going to be x times C bar of x, and we now have C bar of x. So that's x times 1100 over x plus 15, which is going to give us 15x plus 1100. Variable cost, fixed cost. So we'll put that in, 15x plus 1100. Nice work. And then our fixed costs are 1100. And we could do this in the calculator as well, but I'm going to skip that. So that concludes this video.